Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your AWS account step by step. If you're not using Amazon Web Services anymore and want to stop charges, this guide is exactly what you need. Before deleting your account, remember, all your servers and data will be lost. You can't recover most services later. Make sure billing dues are cleared. Now let's proceed. Go to aws.amazon.com and sign in to your account. Make sure you log in as the root user, not IAM user. After logging in, click your account name in the top right. Then click Account from the drop-down menu. Scroll all the way down. You'll see an option called Close Account. Click that button. A confirmation box will appear. You need to check the confirmation box, type your email if asked, and click Close Account. Your account enters a suspension period. AWS keeps it for some days in case you change your mind, then it gets permanently deleted. If you only want to stop charges, you can delete EC2 instances, remove S3 buckets, and stop active services. That may be better than deleting the whole account. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more cloud tutorials, and comment if you want a video on avoiding AWS charges.